How's it going? This is a video walkthrough. I just wanted to show you very briefly why I recommend that we use Monday.com as a planning tool so that we can all kind of work a little smarter. So first thing you need to do if you want to get into the tool is go into your email and look for the invite link I've sent you. It looks similar to this. It says that you've been invited. If you click on that button, it will take you to the sign up page. I've already signed up with this email, so it's not going to show you the box that pops up, but it will ask you very basic information, like what's your name, that kind of stuff, okay? So once you get through that tiny little wizard, when you first open the page, you'll end up here. This is the dashboard. Again, this is monday.com. The link to get there is downtowners.monday.com, okay? So once you've signed up, you can get there, again, easily using this link, okay? So once you're on the dashboard, and if you need help getting there, just give me a jingle. I'm happy to show you. There's also an app that you can use to download. You can download it on your phone, and you can look at all the same things. So here's what it's going to allow us to do. So if we go over here into the workspaces, and we click on Longview Downtowners, you can see here that I have a thing set up for to do Harvest Fest as one project and 15 sub-items. This is program has a lot of capability, but right now we're using a very basic version, okay? So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to click on this expand sub-items little button right here. Boop. And it's going to show us all of the things that we're working on. So right now I've entered in a bunch of sub-items. Order decor, order fencing, alcohol, vendors, da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. And each of these items are assigned to a person. So you can see Ariel is doing decor. I'm ordering the fencing. Michelle's booking the vendors, and so on and so forth. So anytime we have a new task, whether you add one or someone else on our team adds one, that can then be assigned to the correct person. So that's kind of cool. It also has a due date over here to make sure we don't miss deadlines, and then it has a priority. Is it going to kill us if we don't get it done? Well, if we don't get decor, we'll survive, but it's not ideal, so we put it high. But if we don't have fencing, the beer garden's canceled, so that's critical, right? You can also see over here that we have room for files. So like when Michelle was asking me about vendors, like this would have been a good place for me to be able to add the vendor information or a link to our payment portal, which by the way is www.downtownlongview.com/pay. And I can get payment link. So we can kind of communicate inside of the tool. It's all centralized and the whole team can see it. So that way as people come in and off of our board, we can still keep them in the loop on our workflow. Okay, it's very simple. This is really a simple tool. You can also see the due dates. You can also see what the status of it is. Any of these great things we don't have a status on. Say you want to add an item. Call Garth Reptiles guy. Then you can put like, okay, we're working on it, we're waiting on a reply, we're stuck. Okay. So the other thing is too, we can use this outside of just Harvest Fest. We can use it for the rest of the year. So we can put in little things about membership, little things about marketing, assign them to the appropriate people. The cool thing is too, if we all decide that we love this, we can set up automations to make our lives even easier. When we're trying to model ourselves after bigger cities that have this really figured out, a lot of times these are the types of tools that they're using. And if you go to their website and you sign up and you fill out a form, it automatically starts helping generate membership activity. So we can kind of take some of the human error and human timelines out of it and use some of our software to make it way easier. This is a tool that we use on the corporate side a lot. A lot of my mentors recommend this tool, and so that's why I'm recommending it to you. And as you can see, it fits our needs pretty well. So please respond to my email if you have an opportunity for, I know a few people that were really all for it and a few people that weren't sure about it. So this is why I wanted to create this video. If you have any questions or anything else, I'd be happy to send it to you. But ultimately, trying to streamline the downtowners so that we have clean handovers and we can start focusing more on how we're growing rather than how we're organizing. Okay, thanks for watching. Appreciate you, and have a great, successful day.